I've been referring to Tufts Medical Center for probably about 25 years, at least. I think the big difference is the personalized care that they probably get at Tufts Medical Center. I mean, I think all the tertiary care centers in Boston tend to be sort of monolithic. They're huge, they're impersonal. But I think, Tufts Medical Center for me is sort of like a boutique hospital. It's unique, it's small, and that smallness, I think, is what creates the more personalized care. The personalized care is important for me as a physician because it allows me to directly contact the specialist and relate to them and talk to them and get feedback from them. The personalized care is important for the patient because they want to be a patient, they don't want to be a number. I could never, ever imagine myself getting through to any of the specialists at any of the other tertiary care facilities in Boston. But at Tufts, I must say, I've been pleasantly surprised. Either I can call the office of a specialist and leave a message, and he'll get back to me usually in a short time period, or I have the cell phone numbers of some of the specialists and can call them on the cell phones, which is even better. Yeah, there's actually a case that the patient was just in the office a couple of days ago, so it brought to mind, this is a gentleman that we diagnosed on a routine physical with microscopic blood in the urine, which obviously shouldn't be there. So we followed it up with an ultrasound, and the ultrasound showed a growth on the kidney. So I picked up the phone, I spoke to Dr. Caponito, and he said, let me contact the patient and I'll take it from here, and that's in fact what he did. And within a few days he had a laparoscopic nephrectomy, and it turned out to be a renal cell carcinoma. It was found long before it had a chance to grow and metastasize. The complexity of cases that are referred are generally beyond the scope of what can be done at the local community hospital level. A place like a tertiary care center like Tufts is the next step to send them to.